Guys, lemons are so much more fun to play with than we think. Editing Dan, scrap that. Awful intro. So friggin' satisfying just to catch it. Just like... Anyways, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna make some ghost mud. Now I know what you're thinking.
Why would we make ghost mud?
Yeah, I don't know, to be honest. This popped up, I thought it looked fun. It's got a really fun name. It's not that hard to make if you do it right. I've never done this before. Let's hope for the best. Ghost mud is like cleaner mud that you could play with inside. So if you're a teacher and you need some sensory activities, this one's for you. Here's what you're gonna need. 3 bars of ivory soap. Don't ask me why it has to be ivory, it just does. But I do know if you pop this in the microwave, something really cool happens. You can get this at the dollar store, by the way. A tray or a dish or a box of some kind where you're gonna make the mud. A roll of toilet paper. Can I just say that I am not excited that this is one of the ingredients? Only because I use a lot of toilet paper. The fact that I'm wasting 1 entire roll for this, it hurts my heart a bit. You're gonna need a cheese grater and obviously some water as well. Let's do it. Step 1, open your bars of soap. You're gonna take your cheese grater on any side you want, grate the entire bar of soap into your casserole dish. Okay, so that's 1. This looks like mozzarella cheese. Do not eat this. You're gonna do all 3 bars. This looks delicious. And I wish that was the first time I ever said that about soap. All right, 1 more to go. Boom! Needless to say, it also smells very good in here. You want to put down your base of ivory soap. Next, you're gonna take your toilet paper roll, and for this, you're just gonna slowly rip up pieces of the toilet paper. We're making a bathroom product lasagna, essentially. The entire roll is done. Okay, next you want to add some water to our bake and slowly just like rip up the paper, mix in the soap. The consistency we're looking for is like mashed potatoes or like mud, actually. So just keep ripping up the paper. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of ASMR-ish. Do you hear this? And what's cool is we can take this and be like, ah, you're incorporated now, you're a ghost. Keep squishing it, I'll keep squishing it. I don't think we need any more water. Like, we've got a good consistency. Oh my God, look at this, ready? Let's see if we can make anything. It is fun. Like I see, this is exactly like mud. Except your hands will be super clean by the end of it because it's just soap. And it's got like the consistency of Play-Doh now where it'll actually stay. Can we make a ball? Oh, we can make balls too, little snowballs. This is like the ultimate spitball. I'm not gonna lie, when I started making this video, I'm like, this is gonna be so stupid, but this is actually really cool. Okay, let's pat it down. It's exactly like mud. Look at this. It spreads just like mud. You can grab pieces of it, make little snowballs or spitballs. What a good craft, man. But this is something a lot of you guys can actually do at home right now. You can do this whole thing for under $5, easy. So this is ghost mud. And by the end of it, the hands will be so clean. Whoa. That's so cool. Poke a hole. That's awesome. Let's see what happens if I just whip it at my table. Is it clean to pick up? Not really. Way easier to make than slime. I've made slime on this channel before. This is way easier to make. We're gonna make a snowman here. Just make a ball. Then we need the body. Okay, then we need the head. Little snowman. Wait, we need arms. Yo, we made a little homemade snowman. How do we do eyes though? Now I know this looks like a really hard thing to clean up, but really it's just really fibrous toilet paper, lots of ivory soap. So your hands are gonna be super clean. Whatever you're doing it on is gonna be super clean. Let's see what the cleanup is like for this end. Oh, look at that. Super easy. I'm telling you, when I have kids, this is the first craft I'm gonna do when they come out of the womb. They're like, welcome to this world. We're making ghost mud. So it's actually cleaner than it was before I started this craft. Then when you're done, you throw this in the garbage, spray this down with water, it'll be clean. That was review and test, and actually a how-to make ghost mud. 3 bars of soap and a roll of toilet paper. Great to try at home, great for teachers, great for babysitters, great for camps. It's relatively safe. Don't eat this, obviously. When I do these DIYs, by the way, guys, every single Wednesday on my channel is a new DIY. I've done so many DIYs and how-tos in my career on YouTube. This is one of my favorites because of how easy it is, how accessible the items are. Toilet paper and soap, very easy. So yeah, there you guys have it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more DIYs and tricks and how-tos, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.